Good day, everyone. Learn how to properly uninstall any app on your Android phone. You may know that how to uninstall it, but the way you do it might, in most of the time, the database, the files will remain there associated for that app. So today in this tutorial, I'll tell you the best way, the practical way to uninstall any app so that any of the data regarding to that app will not be here and your storage will be also free. So for an example, let's say if I want to uninstall this app called thermometer. So I'll just press and hold on it and then I'll click on this circle with I and then scroll down. Go to the storage. Now, the first thing which you need to do is to click on clear data at the left hand side. Now you see the data 0 byte, cache 0 byte. Now go back and then uninstall like this. The moment you do it, not only the app will be uninstalled, all the data associated to that app will be removed. And this is the correct way to uninstall any app in your Android phone. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.